How to fix Walmart order cancellation. So here's what you have to do. Go to Google and search for Walmart help page. Now you want to select the first website that pops up. From here, make sure you are signed into your account, and then you want to scroll down until you see the option for canceled orders. It's going to show us why they may have canceled your order. It exceeds the rules of quantity limits and bulk purchases. It is out of stock. The web page had price and other listing errors. And here are some other reasons why it may be canceled. Now, if you want to fix this issue, then you will scroll down until you see didn't find what you were looking for. Chat with us. You want to click on this button. And if the reason why, if none of the reasons match why your order was canceled, you will sign into your account here and you can contact Walmart support directly and explain that you didn't face any of these issues, or your order doesn't face any of these issues, yet it was still canceled, and they can further assist you and potentially restore the order. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.